Welcome to my new video tutorial. Many friends have requested to me draw a picture of a dog. I created this video tutorial for them. If you have watched the video very carefully, then you will understand how I draw this picture. First, we draw the eyes. After drawing the eyes, we will draw the wrist. After drawing the eyes, we will draw the other part. Viewers, if you need this picture, you must download it from my website. Keep watching very carefully. Dear friends, I regularly upload drawing related video tutorial to my channel. Subscribe to the channel to get regular update on video tutorials. You can watch other video on my channel. I hope you watch this video and you learn how to draw. Many of us think that drawing is very difficult thing, and not real difficult. It will be very easy for you if you practice drawing regularly. When I was learned to draw, it seemed very difficult to me. But after a while, I don't see that drawing is not a difficult thing for me at all. So friend, I will always request to you to practice more and more, because if you practice more, then you will can learn to draw. Many people think that drawing is a talent, but I believe drawing is not a talented thing. Dear viewers, must let me know how you like my video tutorial. In next tutorial, I want to show you how to draw a bird. The process of drawing a bird will be shown a very simple way so that you can be draw at a glance. I always share with you the very easy way to draw the picture. Dear friends, I am requesting you again to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching the video till end. I hope you will benefit it. For more details, information related this drawing, you can check the description box. Viewers, friend, stay with healthy, subscribe to the channel and invite to watch other video. Thank you.